about multiplied technique as to how this technique makes farming organic. In this whole world, the growth of any plant is 96% from sunlight, air and water. That is photosynthesis process, which is free of cost. But due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers, this photosynthesis process has become ineffective. Therefore, chemical fertilizers have become very important for farmers. Multiplied technique is the ultimate reward after 13 years of tireless research. When soil deteriorated and supply of natural food stopped to the plants, then lakhs of companies started selling the crop food. Our company did a research in this direction that why we cannot rectify these defects which have come in the soil and get natural food free of cost. Our research was successful and multiplied technique was in place. Multiplied technique is neither a fertilizer nor a pesticide. Multiplier makes the soil fertile and strong so that crops start getting their food free of charge. From that day onward, your farming becomes zero budget organic farming. Multiplied technique makes the soil natural and thus helps to make the food for the crop free of cost. Multiplied technique rectifies the defect developed in the soil by the use of chemical fertilizers. As soon as you start using multiplied technique in your crops, the crop starts getting food from sunlight, air and water, and it also starts getting food from the soil. Multiplied technique increases the count of earthworms and micronutrients in the soil. By increase of micronutrients, the availability of the food is more to the crops. With the use of multiplied technique, the crops get excess food. Therefore, immune power of the crop is more. Thus, the pests and diseases attack on the crop is reduced. It takes maximum 7 years to convert the chemical farming to organic farming. It is very easy to convert the chemical farming to organic farming. To convert chemical farming to organic farming, initially you must do the coating of multiplier on chemical fertilizers.